How to Netflix download on laptop. Now if you want to download the Netflix application on laptop, it is very simple to do so. The Netflix app is actually still available on the Microsoft Store. So you want to simply go to the Microsoft Store and simply search for the Netflix application. Once you search for the Netflix app, you'll find this official app from Netflix Inclination. So just make sure to go ahead and then click on the Get button right next to this Netflix application. And basically once you've done that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically download the Netflix app, and now you can open this app and log in and watch movies. However, there are some limitations. Unlike the smartphone version of the application, this web version of the application does not have much features, for example downloading the shows. Now if you're curious as to how you can download movies on the Netflix app on the laptop version of Netflix app, then I've also already made a dedicated tutorial for that, so you can simply watch them in our channel. But just to download the Netflix app, this is how you can do it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.